In this video, I will show you how you can make big money selling domain names. And we're gonna start right now. Hey everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. In this channel, we talk about online entrepreneurship and how to make money online and generate passive income so that you have the lifestyle of your desire. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I want you guys to do me a favor and comment below in the description, where are you watching this from? I really like to know more about you and know from which region or which part of the world you're watching this. This helps me a lot to organize my content in a way that really suit you and suit your needs. So go ahead and comment from which region or from which country you're watching this from. Okay, so last week, you guys, I showed you how you can make $300 per day typing names online. And if you didn't see that video, guys, check the link that will appear here and go and watch that video. And as I promised you, I will make a separate video on making big money selling domain names. So this is the video, you guys. So I will show you here the strategies that I'm using to sell domain names. Although this is not a major thing that I will do on a regular basis, so I'm not really an expert, guys, in this, but I watched many people had generated thousands of dollars doing this and selling domain names. And in this video, I will teach you how you can pick your brandable domain names and what to consider before picking those domain names that you want to sell, and how to sell domain names for higher profit by showing you the ways to increase the value of the domain names that you desire. So the strategy that I'm going to teach you here, guys, focuses on taking advantage of domain names that has just become available to us on the internet. Because you guys, these catchy brandable domain names are almost gone long time ago. But what happens from time to time, these domain names become expired because people don't renew their subscriptions for any reasons, and they basically abandon their domain names. And then it will become available for us on the internet. So what we can do, you guys, is to hunt for those domain names that become available, get them to ourselves, and then resell them for a profit. And to do this, you guys, we need to go to a place where we can find fresh domain names that became available and get them for a very cheap price. And there is one website that can find us all these domain names, all these fresh domain names, you guys, and that website calls JustDropcom. JustDropcom. So here you will find daily list of brand new domain names that are just expired, and a lot of them, you guys, worth a lot of money. So you need to sign up with this website. So you go to this button, register button, and then you will get these daily deals to check for the new list that's available for you. And from here you will get those daily deals to check for the new list of available domain names. And this is updated daily, you guys, as you can see here. So this is for Saturday. This list is for Saturday, that's today. And this one is for Friday and Thursday. And as you go down, you will find it's going backward. So now the idea here, you guys, is that you need to check these daily deals and buy the domain names that you desire. Now, it's very important, you guys, that you take action quickly and as immediately as possible. Otherwise, you might miss big opportunities out there on getting catchy and brandable domain names. Just 2 days ago, I remember I wanted to buy a domain called schema.com that I liked. It really resonated with me, but unfortunately it was gone because I wasn't there to buy it on the right time. So it's very crucial, you guys, that you be on time and act immediately if you find something that really suits you. So I recommend you to be updated and in time, and to download their application called JustDropcom. You can find the link in the description below, or you can subscribe to the mailing list to receive the new list of those domain names once it is released. And it's very important, you guys, that you notice the timing that you get your email into your mailbox, because it's different from region to another. Because for me, for example, I receive these emails around 2 p.m. so that's afternoon, but other people would receive it at 11 p.m. in the evening. So it's actually different from a region to another. So make note of the timing that you receive those emails so that you would be there on time and check that out. But from my personal experience, I found that the application actually released those lists much more earlier than the emails. So I recommend you guys to download that application and use it to be ahead of anyone else, to be updated of those new lists. Now here's a tip for you guys when looking for domain names. Look for those domain names that are one word and they are between 5 and 7 letters long, no longer than that. So look for single words that are between 5 and 7 letters and ends always with .com. So for example, let's see here, we have proby.com. That's a good example. And this one also flicken.com. We have here, let's go just down a little bit, gribble.com. So don't buy any of those longer ones, you guys, because it's really waste of your money. Trust me, I learned that the hard way. And always .com, you guys, never .net, never .org or something like that. It's always .com, because this is the most valuable domain names. Also consider getting those domain names that have a value estimate next to it. For example, this one, plipo.com, that's estimated to be sold at 2,500. And let's see another one here. testervideo.com, that's estimated at a value of 5,900. So you want to consider picking those up, you guys, because these are considered higher value that can give you actually higher profit. But I want to tell you that some of these values, actually most of them, are overestimated. So to be safe, I recommend you to always get domain names that has a value of $2,000, an estimated value of $2,000 or above. And I will tell you why we want to consider that. We don't want to consider something less than $2,000 for a reason that I will tell you later on this video. So you will notice that the prices ranges from $69 to $400. Those for $400 are really brandable and highly valuable domains. But for the time being, this $69 is perfect for you if you are a beginner. Okay, so we'll consider targeting those domain names that are brandable, one word, from 5 to 7 with .com, that are sold for $69. So you need, as we mentioned, that you need to check that on a daily basis. Pick 1 or 2 domains daily. So once you bought those domain names, you have 2 options: either to list them in one of the listing platforms that we're going to talk about now, so you can start selling right away. The second thing you can do is that you can buy and hold. So you hold the domains for a period of time, so it becomes more valuable and worth a lot of money over time. Because remember, domain names are like real estate. They increase in value over time. So in both cases, I'm going to show you a strategy that increase the value of your domain name and sell it for a higher value. And this is the next step, you guys, that we're gonna talk about, is to buy domain names that are one word, as we mentioned, 5 to 6 letters, and end with .com. So the second thing, you guys, you want to do is to create a logo for your domain name and sell it all together as a business package. The truth of the matter, you guys, is that people starting their own business, they're always preferring business packages because they don't really want to spend time to look for logos and design logos. They want to buy something that are ready. So they want to find a business package with a domain name and a logo that resonate with them and start their business right away. So by putting your business package in front of those people, you are maximizing your chances of having buyers willing to buy your domain name. Now, to do logos, you need to go to Fiverr.com and pay someone between $5 to $20 or sometimes $30 to do the logo for you. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's basically a website where you can hire talented people to do specific jobs for you. I use Fiverr a lot to hire people to do things for my business, and generally they do actually really good job. So you need to search for you need to search for website logo design. This will give you all these people that are here to design those logos for you, and these are called gigs. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, all of these are called gigs. So you can see here that the prices vary. There is $20 gig that can create a logo business for you, and there's $5. There are people who actually do for $750, and we don't want to reach there. Actually, normally you would find people to do good logos for you for $30, and they're really good logos. So let's take this for example. This gig, it says I will create your business logo for $20. So if we click on that, you can see here the example of the different logos that this person designed. So generally speaking, they will deliver those logos for you within days, 1 day or 3 days, and you would get multiple revisions. This person, of course, you can check the information of that person here. He's getting actually a very high rating, actually 4.9 out of 5, which is really high, and he's gonna deliver your logo within 3 days, and you would get 5 revisions till you're totally satisfied with your logo. So after you click continue, you would go there and you would tell them what you want. Say for example that you have your domain name that you need the logo for, tell them about the colors that you prefer, and also the most important thing is to provide them with your domain name. So you will get those multiple revisions so that you can change as much as you want, till 5 times in this case, so that you reach your perfect logo that resonates with your domain name. An important thing, you guys, is make sure that the logo is as simple as possible and it goes well with your domain name. So it really represents your domain name in a way. So after getting your business package done, you guys, it's time to start listing your business package into one of the listing sites. And there are multiple listing sites actually, you guys. There is flippa.com, there is brandable.com, there is sedo.com, and all of these options and also there is squadhelp.com that we're gonna use in this video since we mentioned it in the last video. But for all these other websites, you can find all the links for them in the description below. So if we go to Squad Help, and under names for sale, you'll find popular names. So if we click on that, it will take us to all these business packages, you guys. So you can see here the domain with the logo, and you can see the prices here. Again, it all dependable on the factors that we mentioned. There are .com extension, and also the length of the word plays a big factor in determining the price. So this one, I like this one, smoony.com for 1500, Earth and Pure for 2200. There is Omnispace for 1900. So you can see that there is huge price variation, you guys. But generally speaking, the range is mostly between $2,000 and $20,000. So there is huge variation in the price that actually can earn you a lot of money if you select the right domain and the right logo. So as we mentioned, you guys, the trick here is to have a simple logo that goes perfectly with your domain name. So you're gonna list your domain name here, you guys, and people will start giving you offers. And here's what you need to be aware of, you guys. Remember when we talked about the estimated value in JustDropcom, and that you select those domain names that are estimated at $2,000 and above? Well, the reason for that, I want you to use this overestimate for your advantage and use it as a starting price for your business package. Because what happens is when people start giving you offer, they will negotiate you down your price a little bit. So use this estimate as a benchmark for your price. So for example, if you have an estimated value of 2,500 and you wanted to sell your domain for about $1,000, which means you will give yourself $1,500 window for negotiation. So if they come back and they say, okay, they will offer you 1,500, which is totally cool for you because you originally wanted 1,000. All these marketing things, you guys, happens everywhere. People sell things online, whether it's real estate or properties or cars. So sellers would put higher prices because they know this negotiation happened. The last thing I wanted to share with you guys is that you need to bear in mind that you can have a sale in the same day or within days, but some domain names may take longer time because basically they didn't reach their high value yet. Again, it's like real estate. Prices of those domains get higher and higher over time. So don't be discouraged if you didn't make a sale straight away. Just wait for them to be sold. Someone somewhere one day will come and be willing to buy this domain name from you. And as you repeat this, you guys, over time you will become good in selling domains. You will be an expert in finding good domains that can be sold for a higher price. Now you guys, there are many ways to estimate the real value of the domain names that I won't be covering in this video. But if you want to know more about it, just leave me a comment in the description below and I will make a separate video explaining all about it. As I said to you guys, this is something that I don't really do on a regular basis. I do sell my domains from time to time, and I actually tend to hold the domains for a longer time so that I can sell it for a higher value. But if you want to learn my main method of making money online, then check the link for my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income. This is what I do in my own business that makes me able to generate passive income and make money while sleeping, you guys. So if you are serious about making money online as a business, then check that link. I believe it's the first link in the description, and I will get back to you and show you all the details right away. So that's what I have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and had tons of value from. If you did, please hit the thumbs up because it really helped the video. And if you have any questions about this video or anything that's not clear, please leave me a comment in the description below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is Rifat Abu Hassan and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.